Hello friends, I welcome you all to this lecture, and in this lecture we will be solving the problem that we have to find the sum of first and odd numbers. Previously we have evaluated sum of first and even numbers. So in this case our counter will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So now you must be wondering that can't I have started with 1 in the previous lecture also? Yes, we can have done with that also. So I'll show that to you also. Okay. So now the thing is we have to first find out those odd numbers and then we have to sum them up. So what is the procedure? Remain the same. So this is the counter and this is the counter for odd numbers. This will be updating only when the number becomes odd. So is this odd number? Yes. So the counter will be updating to 1. Is this odd number? No. So this will remain such. Is this odd number? Yes. So it will be updating. Let's say I'm interested in finding the first 3 odd numbers and their sum. So is this odd number? No. This will remain as such. Is this odd number? Yes. So this becomes 3. So program will stop and give the sum. How's the sum will how the program will give the sum? So let's say s is 0. Then we will be updating this s by that I which is odd. So initially it is 0, then 1 is odd, so it will be 1. Then 2 is not odd, 3 is odd, so it will be updating with this, so it becomes 4. Then 4 is not odd but 5 is odd, so it will be doing this and this will return 9. So in this way our total sum of all the odd numbers starting n odd numbers will come out as 9. Okay, so let us head to the Jupyter notebook and update that program. So this was our program which we have written previously. So before that, can't I write this particular even odd code in different way? Yes, I can. What I can do is, if I write like this, if I say, if the remainder when divided by 2 is not coming 0, then that is what? That is odd number. Okay, and if that is 0, then that is even number. So if we run, let's say 10, so 10 is even, and let's say 11, 11 is odd, and take another number, let's say 7, so 7 is odd. So this is also this can also be written, this can be another logic for the same program. So this is my program. Now I will be starting with 1, and previously I said it has even number, so let me change the variable name to on, that is odd number, and this is the sum. So stop when the odd number becomes less than or equal to n. Why less than n equal? Because we have started with 1. Okay. Now if I is not divisible by 2 properly, that means if I is divisible by 2 and it is not returning me 0, then do what? Then print I, and then sum will be updated to sum plus I, and then this odd number counter will be updated, and finally we will be going to the next number. So the sum of first n odd numbers, and if we run this, let's say first 3 odd numbers, so this is 1 plus 3 plus 5, so 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, so this is what it is giving. Again check sum of first, let's say 5 odd numbers, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 odd numbers. So if you add 9 plus 1 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, so it is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. So that's it. So friends, you have seen what? You have seen that how to use the same program to make different program which is having similar logic, and in this way you can solve many problems. So in this particular lecture you have learned that how to find the sum of first n odd numbers. So thank you very much for watching it.